Rule number 4 is you can either A, tell a fucked up story, like the first time my buddy told me was, you ever have a horse with a horn? Or you ever see a horse with a horn? I was like, unicorn? He's like, no, a horse with a horn. He's like, it's like a unicorn, but it's different. It's got a little bit different color hair, or longer somewhere in the fucking ass end or the tail or some shit. I don't remember, but he told me for like 5 or 10 minutes, it seemed like. And then out of nowhere, he's like, you got hiccups yet? Or still? I had no fucking hiccups anymore. So rule number 4 is you can tell just a random ass story. Or generally, I'll use anymore was I'll tell rule number 1, rule number 2, and rule number 3. And then rule number 4 will be like, oh shit, they're fucking already gone, so I don't have to waste my time telling you a fucking stupid story, right?